In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid up to $50 every 10 minutes just by using a quick Google Translate hack. And if you stay until the end, you'll discover how you can get paid 3 different ways with just one link by using this hack. Most people in the United States have never really had to use the Google Translate app. But did you know that this is one of the most helpful tools you can have to translate small phrases or sentences when traveling abroad? Google Translate provides an easy, convenient way for travelers to quickly understand and communicate with people in foreign countries without having to learn any language. This simple tool allows users to easily type in a phrase or sentence and receive accurate translations in over 80+ languages, allowing anyone to quickly and easily type in a phrase or sentence for an instantaneous translation in order to communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world. What if, however, there was a way to make money with this tool? And actually, what if there was a way to do this without even having to leave your house? That means no traveling abroad required. The method we're going to discuss in this video does exactly that and also requires absolutely no extensive writing at all, nor do you need a fancy website or any social media following. This is completely free and works worldwide. You can get paid every 10 minutes and also cash out your earnings on a daily basis. And the minimum requirement to withdraw your money is just $1. Sound too good to be true? Well, then keep watching to learn how simple this method really is. For those who have never used Google Translate before, let's just quickly demonstrate how simple it is to get started with. First, what you want to do is go to Google and you just want to search for Google Translate. Then you can see that you could start using Google Translate right on the search page, but let's go to the actual website since it'll give us a little more options and flexibility. Second, once you arrive on this page, you want to choose the language you're starting with right here and change the output language as well. Lastly, I'm just going to type in a simple phrase for Google to translate for me. For example, hello, my name is Ava. And now we can see Google has instantly translated it in written form, and we can even hear it out loud as well if we click right here. Cool, right? However, all we're going to need is just the written form of the translation to start making money online by simply copying and pasting. Now I'm going to show you how to actually use this very simple window right here and the process I just demonstrated to get paid up to $50 every 10 minutes. So you can actually get paid over $300 per hour just by doing what I'm going to show you in the next few minutes completely for free. Now, the next website we want to go to is going to be called cpagrip.com. I've mentioned this site several times on this channel before, but basically this is one of our go-to CPA networks where we can find some good mass appeal CPA offers. To get started, just click the link in the description below, which will redirect you to this page where you can fill out all of your information. And just make sure to select website/insent for publisher type, or GPT. Once that's done, what you want to do first is go to the payment method right here by clicking on payment settings. Then select your preferred payment method like Payoneer, ACH transfer, or PayPal. And then enter your details and make sure to save your payment preferences because this is how you're going to get paid from CPA Grip. Next, unlike the previous videos where we mentioned CPA Grip to promote US-based offers, now we actually want to select a CPA offer from one of the top countries from Europe that don't really speak English and have a little higher payout and rating on CPA Grip. For instance, just look at the payouts on the first page of the US-based offers. If we click payouts twice, then we can see the US-based offers in order from highest paying to lowest. As we can see, the highest paying offers are only slightly above $2. And now let's change the country and just pick France, for example, and do the same thing. Now look at all of these offers. That's a big difference. However, we see that most of these require people submitting their credit card information, which may be a little more difficult to convert. So let's try to find something else. Instead, let's try to see what type of offers we can find for Switzerland. Actually, this is great because the 4 national languages of Switzerland are German, French, Italian, and Romansh, with the 2 most widely spoken non-national languages being English and Portuguese. That's a total of 6 languages we could use to promote offers for this one country, which means more money for us. Now, just a few things to keep in mind. We want to make sure we're looking for mobile offers because that's what's going to work best with the traffic source I'm about to show you in just a bit. Also, let's try to aim for some pin submit offers. Essentially, pin submit offers are offers that require a phone number. The number gets used to provide the user with a code. Users receive the code via SMS to verify their identity, and once done, the offer is complete and we get paid. So it's a little more complex than just simply submitting an email, which means we get more money, but it's also not as invasive as having people submit credit card information. And also, I have no idea how to speak any German or French or any of those extra languages, so I have absolutely no clue what any of this is saying. No biggie though, because I could just grab any of these sentences, then go back and paste it into Google Translate, which will automatically detect the language and translate for me. Boom, simple. Also, I'm pretty sure people in Switzerland have no issues reading things in English, but let's just keep on going with this for example's sake. So next, you want to just go ahead and pick up any of these mobile CPA offers. Now, for example, we can go for this offer. Check this out. Here we can see that the traffic is going to be redirected to the mobile offer, and for every single pin submit completion, I'm going to get paid about $24. By the way, this is on top of the $50 for every 10 minutes, and this is going to be the affiliate link we use to make it happen. So what you want to do is you simply copy your affiliate link, then head on over to the next site I'm about to show you, which is actually going to be paying you this amount of money without generating any sales or without actually generating any CPA commissions or anything like that. Now this website, by the way, is called shortyearn.com, and on their payout rates page we could see a few things. First, there's a list of features which make this platform unique, like daily payments, no pop-up ads, easy to get link, $1 minimum withdrawal, faucet and adult traffic are accepted, and fast support and convenient payment methods for anyone anywhere in the world. Next, we can see the rates for every 1,000 views based on country. So if you're going to send traffic from Greenland to your link, then you can see right here we are going to get paid $50 every 1,000 views, which I'm about to show you how to get every 10 minutes for this traffic. Since we're doing an offer from Switzerland, however, I'm going to show you how to do this specifically for Switzerland, but you can do the same for any of these countries. And the traffic source that I'm going to show you works for all the countries. Before we proceed with the next steps, however, if this video fits your interests and you are enjoying this journey so far, make sure to like this video and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. So you just want to sign up for an account. So just go right here where it says sign up, and you're going to be taken to this page where you can create a brand new account. By signing up with Google, the process is quicker and you don't have to enter your information each time. Next, once you're signed in, this is how your account will look. Now go to the left-hand side and click on the new shortened link. Then you want to paste your affiliate link that we just copied from CPA Grip right here and put an alias. Just go with something super simple that you'll remember. No expiration date or anything like that. Then just click on shorten and bam. This is going to be our shortened URL that's going to pay us just for every view that we send to the link. So you can easily get paid this amount of money and start withdrawing with as little as $1 in your account if you do exactly what I'm going to show you right now. The last website we're going to need to make this method work is called Linkvertise. If we go to Google and run a simple search, it should be the first link that pops up. We just want to click where it says earn money with links, and we should be redirected to this page. If we scroll down, we can see that we can earn up to $70 per 1,000 views. Linkvertise is the best paying link shortening site in German-speaking countries. They do not use pop-ups or annoying layers and still offer top pay. They're also going to be promoting our link on their search engine. So essentially this is like a den for your traffic source, which all just fits perfectly for what we're trying to do and just sounds like more music to my ears. So to start, we just click the orange register button up here, then just quickly fill out all of the information. Once you're on the inside, go to create a link at the top, and then you want to copy the link that we have created with Shorty Earn right here. Then you want to click on the next button right here. You want to just copy the headline of the CPA offer and add it right here and make sure it's going to fit the characters. Then you click on check right here. Then if we try to do the same for the title, then it says we need like 40 characters to continue. And this is where the Google Translate actually comes in to help. So we are going to put this right here since I don't know what it means. Then we're going to try to add a few more relevant words to it just to fill up the minimum capacity of characters required. Once we got that, we just need to copy and paste this back into Linkvertise and bam, now we should be good. Next, do the same thing for the description, which should be a minimum of 100 characters long. Then click next to add any relevant images or videos and you're done. This is how your link should appear in their search engine. So now, not only will you be getting tons of traffic to this offer, but you'll also be getting paid by Linkvertise, Shorty Earn, and CPA Grip just by starting with one link. So in the end, that's how you get paid 3 different ways with just one link. And that's it for today. You're now ready to get paid up to $50 every 10 minutes just by using this quick Google Translate hack to get paid 3 different ways with just one link.